Hello everyone, my name is Silver Willowwing and welcome to another How to Train Your Dragon the Hidden World figure review. Today we're gonna take a look at the Hiccup and the Light Fury by Spin Master action figure set, which I have right here, where we get the Light Fury and we get Hiccup in a very unique looking armor actually. So that's super cool. This is actually the first Light Fury toy that Spin Master has made. So that's really exciting to take a look at. So I just say that we go ahead and dig in. So here we have it. This is Hiccup and the Light Fury, and it says over here, wing flapping action. So she is likely possibly able to flap her wings. Just an idea. And here we got the How to Train Your Dragon the Hidden World, the classic picture of Mintz-Plasse with the glow from the Hidden World. And down here we got the Spin Master logo. We got some Hidden World more as well in here, and down here we got some more. This is made from toothless scales, and since toothless glow inside of the Hidden World, there's a likely chance that Hiccup's armor will glow as well. I'm not sure, but it does look like it based on this figure. So mine has a bended ear, as it seems right there. It's bent. That's not supposed to happen, I think, but we'll see how bad it is once we get him out. We got Hiccup and the Light Fury right here, and we got the strike class symbol. Since the Light Fury is a strike class dragon similar to Toothless. And on the back we got a nice picture of her and Hiccup, and we got dragon scale armor and some warnings and everything, and Spin Master and DreamWorks down here. So yeah, this looks very cool. This looks very promising on this image. So let's see if the actual figures actually hold up to that. I'm gonna go ahead and get them out and I will be right back with you guys. So here we have them. Hiccup, his sword, and the Light Fury. So first let's take a look at Hiccup. So his ear did take some damage. This is not supposed to happen. Your figure will most likely not have this, but mine is a little bit crooked. He has a little bit of edge right there. But other than that, the helmet is super cool. It's shaped like toothless ears, as you can see. One is bent, and he's spiked down the forehead as well. It's on a ball joint, so you can bend it like up and down. Pretty much, you can turn left and right. It's somewhat movable, which is cool. His arms can go up and down. Not out, but up and down. That's what they can do. They could possibly spin all the way around. Yeah, they can. Same goes for his legs. They can spin up, and they can spin up like that. Woohoo! And then he can ride dragons. So yeah, that's what that's for. No knee joint, no bent, but you can flip them around. So that's super cool. That's pretty much all the articulation we have. So the details are pretty neat. We got this glow here, and then he got his flap here, and the flap over here, and his prosthetic leg, and his regular boot. And he got a belt here, some details, and then he got his gloves and his arm, his shoulder armor plate, which has the it has the toothless logo, and then the glow above that, like on top of that. And then he got the wings on his back, which actually I think is super cool. This is the wings he used to fly with. When he does his flight suit, he just flaps them out and then he flies. Super cool. Really excited about seeing this flight suit in action. It looks very broad. Look at that. Broad shoulders. Looks very strong. Hiccup has been working out. And then we got his sword. We got some flame to it. Some nice flames. And the handle. It's pretty simple. Very simple paint job. But I mean, it works. So let's go ahead and give him that. Come Hiccup. Take it. Take the sword. So now he has his sword. His flaming dragon sword. Very nice. So you can go ahead and hold that. Now he cannot stand on his own. Maybe if we do a little bit of magic, he can. Yeah, now he can. There we go. Very nice figure. Mine is a bit damaged, but I can correct that with some time. Other than that, very nice. Now let's take a look at her. So she has a very determined face. She looks like she's about to battle. She doesn't look too happy. She's showing her teeth as well. She doesn't have a movable jaw, which is always a shame, but Spin Master normally don't make jaws that can move unless it's because they can fire something out of them. But yeah, her ears are kind of floating. They're of a different plastic, I think. But you can clearly see like where they've been put in. which is a little bit of a shame. I don't know why they chose to do that, but yeah, that's breaks the illusion a little bit. It's not too bad. I mean, I can definitely live with it. It's fine. So yeah, it's a pretty alright paint job on her eyes. She looks alright. She looks like a Light Fury. The head shape is definitely correct. Very nice. She got a really smooth body, smooth neck, down the legs. Very nimble legs. She got them lady legs. They're very much thinner compared to Toothless. And she got her little paws here with 4 claws. Very cute. And on the other side as well. So these can move up to around here. Here they stop. Around here. No, they don't even want to go there, over here. Around there, and then they can go forward. So she can go all the way forward and say hello, or she can kneel, or yeah, she can bow down, but she cannot go back too much. So she's best for standing. And then we got her wings, of course. You can't move them without the legs. It's because she has flapping action, wing flapping action. So when you push the leg in, she flies, or she flaps her wings. Very weakly. I'm not too excited about that. I would much rather have had a joint here so that you could fold her leg back so it could look like she was flying. But we got this flapping motion instead, which we've seen on some of the other toys. It's not as strong on her. See, it's not much movement. It's a little bit. I think it's alright. I mean, it works. It works. Her wings are kind of small, but they're always kind of smaller with these figures than they are in the actual movie. They are pretty okay. They're just white. They're just, they're just her. And she got her spine here, her spine fin almost, I would want to call it. And then she got her tail fins right here, tail flabby blue things. And then she got her 2 smaller tail fins, and then the actual tail fin, which is nice. But one thing that's a bit weird about this toy is that it almost looks like she looks like a fish. Before she's like, this is a whale, and now she's a fish. Like, it's supposed to be like this so she can fly. It's not supposed to be like this. So that's a bit of an interesting design. It's obviously just because she's flapping it around. She can do what she wants, But yeah, it's actually like that. This thing goes down and then it goes up into this thing. So it's like sideways, which is not supposed to be. It's supposed to be like this. So I don't know why they did that. If that was on purpose, that's a bit weird. So it's supposed to be like this. It's supposed to look like that. But it goes like that. So yeah, that's a bit weird. But again, it's a curled shape, it's a curled pose, so it could just be that she's just doing that. Folding it, flapping it, swinging it around, that sort of thing. She's not too large, but she's not too small either. She has a very nice little nimble size. I think overall it's a decent toy. It could have been so much more, but for what it is, I think it works. The details are quite okay. And you can definitely tell it's her. She's a nice little toy. This is my first Light Fury toy ever. And I'm pretty excited about that. I think that's really cool. So I think for that, she definitely looks decent. I hope they will make more when the movie comes out or after the movie comes out. So we will get more different versions of her. But for now, this one is pretty sturdy. I like it. I think she's cute. She comes with Hiccup. And they're just, great buddies. It's very nice. So yeah, this is a really nice little set. I'm really thrilled about her and seeing Light Fury toys finally. I was thinking about this ever since I saw the first trailer. I was like, what are the toys gonna be like? This is gonna be amazing. And now I'm sitting with one right here, so that's pretty cool. Really, really excited about this. So yeah, definitely decent toys. Definitely recommend getting them. They have some really nice features and they look absolutely amazing. It's a nice pose that she has and that Hiccup has as well. You can pose him and he can ride whatever and everything. So really, really cool. I'm very excited about this. Let me know if you enjoy these types of reviews, because then I'll be doing more and I'll be getting the other Hidden World toys. So far I have the Death River and the Light Fury. If you would like to see more, please let me know, because I would love to get them for you guys and show them. So thank you so much for watching this one, and hopefully I will see you again. So long, Dragon Riders!